Thank you everyone for joining us tonight. Year-round activities have been planned to celebrate Lourdes Hospital's 75th year. Alagang Lourdes is hinged on 3 value propositions: alagang may puso, alagang tapat, and alagang abot kaya. With that, I formally open Lourdes Hospital's 75th anniversary celebration.
3, 2, 1.